Today let's see how to make these beautiful, soft and light, as soft and light as clouds and as delicious as ever marshmallows. It's super simple. If you follow all these steps, you're going to definitely get it right. So now first I'm going to start by brushing a glass bowl with some oil and setting it aside. Now to 1/4 cup of hot water, I'm going to add 30 grams of gelatin and stir this really well till all of the gelatin, dissolves in this hot water, and set that aside. Now I'm going to take 180 grams of regular sugar and 1/4 cup of water, and we're going to boil this for about 10 minutes on a low to medium flame till it really thickens very well. Once it thickens, I'm going to add this gelatin mix to this sugar syrup, and again we're going to stir this really well till all of the gelatin mixes really well with the sugar syrup and we get this very thick kind of sugar syrup. So when you're boiling it, you get this foamy kind of texture and then it becomes a real thick mixture. Now pour this thick mixture into a nice clean dry bowl. Let it cool for about a minute or so. Then we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then we're going to whisk this for at least 8 to 10 minutes till it becomes into this thick, foamy, white kind of a mixture. It will happen, but it will take about 8 to 10 minutes. But whisk it really well. And then you will see that it becomes into this sticky kind of a mixture. This is exactly what we are looking for. And now we're going to pour this mixture into the greased, bowl that we prepared. Don't forget to grease the bowl, otherwise it's going to be very difficult to demold the marshmallow. Now you can add color also if you want, but I was going with plain white. And now we're going to tap the bowl so that we release any air bubbles if there are any. And then we're going to rest this for 4 hours. Now after patiently waiting for 4 hours, we're going to create a mixture of exactly half of corn flour and half of powdered sugar. About half a cup should do. And then we're going to use this to demold this marshmallow. So dust your surface, dust the marshmallow, dust your fingers, or dip your fingers rather, and just loosen the marshmallow from this bowl. And because we've greased it, it comes out really well. But you have to roll the marshmallow in this mixture of corn flour and powdered sugar. Otherwise it has this very sticky kind of consistency. And now we're going to cut it up again. Take a sharp serrated knife, dip the serrated knife also into this corn flour and sugar, powdered sugar mixture all the time, and then just cut them into whatever desired shapes. I'm going for normal squares that marshmallows come in. And that's it, and they're so soft and light and really delicious. And of course they are made at home, so no preservatives, nothing. And you can just put this in your hot chocolate or in your chocolate bombs recipe that I've shown. You can I'll link it down below, and you can enjoy these marshmallows, even roast them on the hot flame and just eat them directly. So I hope you give this recipe a try. Don't be afraid. Just give it a try, give it a go, and you'll be so pleased with the result. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Go and check out all my other Christmas recipes, guys. And thanks for watching.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.